Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. So, we have been discussing about chapter 7, unitary method. So, last class I gave 8th question as homework. So, let's discuss the answer first. So, you will get the answer. Rent for 8 months, you will get a rupees 14,400. Okay, rent for a year it is given to that is 12 months it is given 21,600. From that you can find a rent for 1 month. On dividing 21,600 by 12 you will get a rupees 1,800. So if you know rent for 1 month is rupees 1,800, then rent for 8 months will be 1,800 into 8, that is 14,400 rupees. Okay. Now 9th question. Anida buys 37.5 liters of milk in 15 days. If she buys the same quantity of milk every day, how much milk does she buy in a week? So, in 15 days, the total quantity of milk that Anida buys, it is 37.5 liters. Okay. And every day she will buy the same quantity of milk. So, how much milk does she buy in a week? That is how much milk does Anida buy in 7 days. You need to find. Okay. So, here you can write the steps like this. Quantity of milk that Anida buys in 15 days. That is given 37.5 liters. Okay. Therefore, quantity of milk that Anida buys in 1 day. From this you can find this by dividing 37.5 divided by 15. Okay. You will get 2.5 liters. Okay. So, in 1 day, she will buy 2.5 liters. Therefore, quantity of milk that Anida buys in a week, that is 7 days. Okay, if 1 day she buy 2.5 liters, in 7 days, how much milk she will buy, you can find by multiplying 2.5 into 7. That is, you will get a 17.5 liters. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so here first it is given quantity of milk that Anida buys in 15 days. That is 37.5 liters. From that you find the quantity of milk that she buys in 1 day by doing division. So here less case. So you divide. Okay, now next you find the quantity of milk that Anida buys in a week, that is 7 days. So, more case, that is more than 1 day. Okay, so you can find that by doing multiplication. 10th question. Rajan gets a commission of rupees 900 for selling 6 scooters. How many scooters should be sold to get a commission of rupees 2,250? So, if he sells 6 scooters, Rajan gets a commission of rupees 900. He will get rupees 900. Okay. Then to get a commission of rupees 2,250, how many scooters should be sold? Okay. So that is the question. So you can apply unitary method for that. So to get a commission of rupees 900, he should sold 6 scooters. That is given in the question. Okay. So applying unitary method, in place of rupees 900, you can write rupees 1. Okay. So to get a commission of rupees 1, he should sold 6 by 900. 900 you can take to the other side. So that will become 6 by 900 scooters. Okay, now to get a commission of rupees 2,250, that is the question. Okay, so how many scooters should be sold? That you can find by multiplying 6 by 900 into 2,250. Okay, so 13,500. Okay, divided by 900 is there in the denominator, so that you can write. Okay, 6 into 2,250, you will get 13,500 divided by 900. Okay, then you will get the answer 15 scooters. Okay, so 15 scooters should be sold to get a commission of rupees 2250. So rupees 1. Here you are finding less. So that is for that you have to divide. Okay. Now rupees 2250. Here more case. So you have to multiply. Okay. There is another method for that. Alternative method. You can take a converse case. That is, for 6 scooters he will get a rupees 900 as commission. Okay, so for one scooter, what amount he will get as commission? So that you can find by division. That is 900 division 6. You will get a 150 rupees. Okay, so for 6 scooters he will get a rupees 900. So one scooter he will get a rupees 150. Now how many scooters are required to get a commission of rupees 2250? Okay, so here you need to divide 2250 by 150. Okay, in total he should get a rupees 2250 as commission, but for one scooter he will get a rupees 150. So how many scooters will be required to get this commission? You can divide 2250 by 50. Okay, so dividing 2250 by 150, you will get a 15. So 15 scooters should be sold to get a commission of rupees 2250. Okay, among this, any method you can use to find the answer, both are correct. Okay, so for 7th question, 6th question and a 4th question also, you can use alternative method to find the answer. If you find the alternative method as easy, means you can use that method, or you can use the method I told. Okay. 11th question. Mohan purchased 9 meters of cloth to make 5 shirts. How many meters of cloth should he buy for 4 shirts? So in the question it is given, to make 5 shirts 9 meters of cloth is required. Okay, so to make 4 shirts, how many meters of cloth is required? That you need to find here. So you can write the steps like this. To make a 5 shirt, 9 meters of cloth is required. This is given in the question. So from this you can find how many meters of cloth is required for making one shirt. Okay, to make one shirt you can find by dividing 9 by 5. Okay, so 9 by 5 meters of cloth is required to make a one shirt. Okay, if for one shirt 9 by 5 meters of cloth is required, so to make a 4 shirt, how many meters of cloth will be required? So that you can find by multiplication, that is 9 by 5 into 4. Okay, so if for one shirt 9 by 5 meters of cloth, so for 4 shirts 9 by 5 into 4 meters of cloth will be required. So 9 into 4 you will get a 36 divided by 5. Okay, 36 divided by 5. On dividing you will get a 7.2 meter. So to make a 4 shirts, 7.2 meter of cloth is required. Okay. 12th question. Madhuri's heart beats 360 times in 5 minutes. About how many times does it beat in half an hour? So in 5 minutes the heart will beat 360 times. So in half an hour, that is in 30 minutes, how many times does it beat? That you need to find here. So in 5 minutes Madhuri's heart beats it is given 360 times. Okay, so in 1 minute that you can find, if in 5 minutes 360 times heart is beating, so in 1 minute how many times it will beat? So Madhuri's heart beats that you can find by dividing 360 by 5. Okay, so 360 divided by 5, you will get 72. Okay, 72 times. Okay, if in 1 minute Madhuri's heart beats is 72 times, therefore in half an hour, that is in 30 minutes, how many times it will beat? So that you can find by multiplication, that is 72 into 30. Okay, that is 2160 times. Okay, so given in the question, in 5 minutes the heart will beat 360 times. So from that you can find in 1 minute how many times it will beat. So that you can find by dividing 360 by 5. Okay, so if you know, if in 1 minute it will beat 72 times, so in 30 minutes how many times it will beat, that you can find by multiplying 72 into 30. So 2160 times. This is the answer. Okay, so this much for this class. Thank you.